Hi and welcome to Jamaica Live. This is your news update with Odera. This is a test run. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I can't feel my fingers. Don't know how I'm gonna do that shit. Ooh, Hi. 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 Can you hear? Hi, Alan. Can you hear me, please? Can you just say hi if you can hear me? Can you type hi for me right there if you can hear me, please, Alan? I would greatly appreciate it. Hi. Stan. Hi, Stan. Can you type hi so I can make sure that you're hearing me, please? Hi, Stan. Hi, thank you, Stan. Thank you very much for that. Please tune in about 30 minutes. I'm going to be going live on Jamaica Live with Madison today. It's a very special episode, and I hope that it's her birthday episode. So I hope you'll be able to tune in at 5 at Jamaica Live News. This is going to be your news update. Hi! Hi, say hi, Jamaica Live. Hi, Jamaica Live! What's your name?
Anna. Hi. I'm Bree. Hi. It's my birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
What's your name?
Bree.
Oh, Bree. Sing happy birthday to us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bree. Happy birthday to you.
Where is that from?
Jamaica Live News. And you can watch us.
Guys, can you watch it when you get home? Actually, no, it's live. Just kidding. Actually, no, for the phone. How many people are watching it?
About 20.
20. Whoa! Hi! I'm Anna. Follow me on Instagram.
Coming back? Are you guys coming back?
I don't know.
Are we? So we're going to be live with Jamaica Live at 5. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
See you. Bye.
Okay. Okay, great. So, okay, what time is it now? Everybody's raising volume.
All right. We just want to make sure that sound is coming from.
Do you want the volume higher? Do you want the volume higher on the other one? You can increase the volume. Yeah, that's the highest volume.
Okay, so it means that we cannot listen to. But okay, any indication here that
Okay, make a video. Let me show you. Let me make a
Okay,
video.
so we can finish and then we can listen back, right?
Okay. End it.
Tell them we're going to say.
All right, I'm gonna sign off right now, but come back in 15 minutes for the main show at Jamaica Live. This is your news update with Odera, with Madison and Odera. Okay, tune back in. Thank you. See you soon.